What if you could create emotional AI voiceovers and animated character videos that sound almost like real actors without recording your own voice at all? Well, that's exactly what Typecast AI is designed to do. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Typecast AI in 2026 step by step and whether this platform is actually worth using for creators today. So first, Typecast is an AI text-to-speech and avatar generation platform that converts written text into expressive voiceovers using artificial intelligence. Unlike many older text-to-speech tools that sound robotic and flat, Typecast focuses heavily on emotional delivery, character personalities, and cinematic narration. According to the company and many reviews online, the platform includes hundreds of AI voices and virtual characters for YouTube videos, podcasts, audiobooks, storytelling, gaming, online courses, and social media content. To get started, go to the Typecast website and create a free account. Once you log in, you'll enter the main editor where you can paste your script directly into the text box. After that, click the voice or character library and start browsing the available AI voices. One thing that makes Typecast different is that the voices are organized almost like real actors, with different personalities, emotions, ages, and speaking styles, instead of just generic voice labels. You can preview multiple voices before selecting one, which is honestly very useful because some voices work better for storytelling, while others are better for tutorials, gaming videos, or advertisements. Once you choose a voice, you can start customizing the delivery using the smart emotion controls. This is one of the platform's biggest features because you can adjust how emotional or energetic the AI sounds. For example, you can make the narration sound calm, dramatic, excited, serious, sad, or conversational depending on your content style. You can also control speed, pitch, pauses, emphasis, and breathing effects to make the audio feel more realistic. Another really cool feature is the timeline editor, which works almost like a video editing program where you can control dialogue scene by scene. This is especially useful if you're creating multi-character conversations, animated storytelling, or podcast-style content with different voices. Typecast also supports AI avatars with automatic lip sync, so instead of generating audio only, you can create animated talking characters directly inside the platform. After customizing everything, simply click Generate and preview the result. If you like the output, you can download the audio or video depending on your plan. Many creators online say they like Typecast because it's beginner-friendly while still offering advanced emotional voice controls that most AI text-to-speech platforms still struggle with. Reviewers also praise the cinematic quality of the voices and the ability to create content without needing expensive microphones or voice actors. But there are some downsides too. Some users complain that the cheaper plans have strict download limits, which can become frustrating for large YouTube projects. Others mention that language support is more limited compared to competitors like 11 Labs or SpeechGen. And while many voices sound impressively realistic, certain voices can still sound robotic if the emotional settings are not adjusted properly. So overall, is Typecast worth using in 2026? Honestly, yes, especially if you want emotional AI narration, storytelling voices, or animated character content without learning complicated production software. It may not be the cheapest or most multilingual AI voice platform out there, but when it comes to expressive voiceovers and cinematic-style AI narration, Typecast is definitely one of the strongest options available right now. If you want to try Typecast AI for yourself, check out the link in the description below. And if this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling me whether you think emotional AI voices will eventually replace traditional voice actors completely.